Most AI language tutors correct one answer, but they do not know which weakness should return tomorrow or which practice actually helped. WeakSpot is a cross-session English coach that turns learning evidence into the next useful real-world task. For OpenAI Build Week, I extended the existing product with a GPT 5.6 Adaptive Mission Planner. I choose only my available time, whether I want to type or speak, and my energy level. The scheduler ranks weak, uncertain, overdue, relevant, and recently repeated skills. Then, GPT 5.6 Sol receives that bounded decision context through the OpenAI Responses API and creates one structured mission. This is not a static template. The page shows OpenAI's returned model, the Responses API, and the planner's evidence. I see why to practice now, which evidence was used, how the task adapted, and what the coach will observe. The output is validated with native Pydantic structured outputs, so the task and its evidence trail follow one typed contract. It can create live roleplay, picture description and inference, listening and retelling, situational decisions, or vocabulary in a realistic message. In normal chat, WeakSpot can also place a previously weak skill into a natural follow-up without announcing a test. This checks whether I can transfer the skill independently in a new context, instead of repeating the correction I just saw. Every attempt returns evidence, independent or assisted success, failure, avoidance, modality, task type, and delayed transfer. The next request does not send the full history. WeakSpot retrieves at most 6 relevant memories inside a fixed budget, and I can inspect, edit, pin, or forget each one. Codex was my engineering collaborator, not the model embedded in the website. Codex audited the multi-provider system, checked OpenAI guidance, designed the responses path, implemented the feature, and added contract tests and submission documentation. At runtime, the site calls GPT 5.6 Sol. The server protects the key, disables storage, hashes the safety identifier, and blocks misleading model labels. Public Health shows the enabled feature, model, and API without credentials, while the build log separates this extension from earlier work. WeakSpot does not just remember mistakes. With GPT 5.6, it turns the right evidence into the right challenge at the right moment.